The new Revamped Contact Restoration app is a game changer. This feature enhances the contact restoration process by providing an improved user interface and expanded functionality for restoring contacts and all of that amazing associated data you definitely don't want to lose. As far as benefits go, this is an efficient restoration process. You can quickly restore single or multiple contacts along with their associated opportunities, notes, tasks, appointments, and even conversations. This is going to enhance usability because this feature simplifies the restoration process. It is also going to give you the ability to preserve data, ensuring that all of your related data is restored, maintaining continuity within your CRM activities. As far as practical use goes, when a business accidentally deletes several client contacts, well, now you can easily restore all of the relevant information on the go, maintaining seamless operations. Let me show you exactly where this is located. First, what you're going to actually be doing is accessing the new restored settings. And to do that, you're going to be under Contact, and then you'll see in the upper menu a new restore area. And then you're going to go down to one of the restore icons. When you click on that, you're going to confirm this detail and you're going to go ahead and move forward. You can also confirm multiple contact restorations at one time. So if you have selected more than one, you'll see all of the you have selected in that area, and you're going to also go ahead and hit confirm. The revamped contact restore feature ensures that efficient and comprehensive recovery of your contacts is in your hands, and all of that data is still going to stay right within the CRM. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.